it does not bring growth. I don't know, but if that's what the school wants, let's move with it. Now we are done there. Now we look at the questions of the chapter, the questions that I gave you. Can you open those questions? We look at them. You're supposed to have done them. That's why I usually bring them prior. Yes, I usually bring them prior. Question number 1. Read, someone to read for us. And if you have the answers, just note a few. Yes, very good. I'm waiting for the answers. Who answered number 1? Yes? Both one?
What is exhaustive? So leisure aims to replace the
Yes.
what provides the basics in life.
Yes.
Leisure provides the opportunity to enjoy and acquire. Leisure can reduce tension, stress after work.
Both are God's commands. Very good. That is good. Very good, actually. All your points are correct. Explain the relationship between work and leisure in the Christian context. It's Mark. Both work and leisure were instilled by God. Thank you. You said that. They were both instilled by God. When you answering questions that talks about relationship, if you're supposed to talk about the similarities, you have to start both. Don't get tired. That is what the KCSE requires you to do. Both work and leisure were instilled by God. So they were instilled by God during creation. So they were both important to the life of human. But just know, both work and leisure were instilled by God. Work is exhausting, so we need leisure to replenish lost energy. Work is exhausting, so we need leisure to replenish lost energy. That is how also they're related. While work means acquiring basics for life, leisure guarantees that we celebrate that which we have earned from our work. So, work means acquiring basic needs of life or basics of life. Work means acquiring basics of life, while leisure guarantees celebration, that which has guarantees we celebrate that which has been earned through work. Guarantees celebration of that which has been earned through work. Number 4, both work and leisure are God's command. And this you can find in Exodus chapter 8 verse 9. I think that you read with the teacher. Both work and leisure are God's command. Doing work which is not our regular occupations can be a form of leisure. Doing work which is not our regular occupations can be a form of leisure. Since God worked and took rest, human beings should also do the same. Since God worked and took rest, human beings should also do the same. Since God worked and took rest, human beings should also do the same. Leisure gives one an opportunity to perform work of charity. Leisure gives one an opportunity to perform work of charity. Leisure gives one an opportunity to perform work of charity. Question 1b, read for us. Nobody wants to read. explain the role of professional elders in the society. So they guide the employees. You were told that. They guide the employees in their relationship with the clients. They guide the employees in their relationship with the clients. They guide the employees in their relationship with their clients. They guide the employees in their relationship with the clients. They help in maintaining the public image of the profession, which must be good. They help in maintaining the public image of the profession, which must be good. They help in maintaining public image. They regulate the professional dignity. They regulate the profession and uphold the dignity of individuals. They regulate the profession and uphold the dignity of the individuals. That basically means that you're treated with dignity in the workplace. They help members of the society, or they help clients to develop confidence. They help clients to develop confidence. They help clients to develop confidence. They assist to maintain high standards of work. They assist to maintain high standards of work. They outline behavior expected of a worker. They outline the expected behavior or the behavior expected of a worker. What are you expected to? How are you expected to behave as a worker? So they outline the behavior expected of a worker. Question 1C. Someone to read 1C. Sorry, repeat. Yes, so tell us what you wrote. None of you did what I gave you. Someone else, those are few. Someone else, but that's very good. Nakuja mseme. Who else? Hakuna mtu yani aliandika. Hamkufanya ama mnachoka? Si mmesoma, mmechoka? Mlichoka kufanya hii kazi? Ni nini? Unajua lazima ujipanga, ndio maswali utaulizwa. Kama unakuja ni KCSE 2003. Outline the steps the church in Kenya is taking to solve problem of unemployment. Is employ people as pastors. That is what the church is doing. Employs people as pastors. The church also has set up youth polytechnic to provide vocational training. Has set up youth polytechnic to provide vocational training. Has set up youth polytechnic to provide vocational training. set up youth polytechnic to provide vocational training. The church runs training colleges or universities. The church runs training colleges or universities where people are prepared for different careers. The church runs training colleges or universities where people are prepared for different careers. The church runs training colleges or universities where people are prepared for different careers. The church encourages positive attitude towards all types of jobs. The church encourages positive attitudes towards all types of jobs. It provides funds to start small-scale industries or small-scale jobs. It provides funds to start small-scale industries or projects. Provides funds to start small-scale industries or projects. Establishes institutions which employ. Establishment of institutions which provide employment. Establishes institutions which provide employment. For example, schools, hospitals. Institutions which provide employment. Establishes institutions which provide employment. Question 2A. Give 8 causes of conflict between the employer and the employees in Kenya. Where are they in conflict? What is the cause of the conflict between the employer and employees in Kenya? Lack of respect to the employer by the employee, or vice versa. Lack of respect to the employer by the employee, or vice versa. Lack of respect to the employer by the employee, or vice versa. Lack of respect to the employer by the employee, or vice versa. Employees not given time for leisure, or they are not given time for leave. Employees not given time for leisure or time for leave. Poor working conditions, or basically you can call it poor working environment. Poor working conditions. Employees not paid on time. 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 Employees fail to accomplish tasks. Employees fail to accomplish tasks. Employees fail to accomplish tasks. That is, you don't do your job. Employees fail to accomplish tasks. Employees are not allowed to join trade unions, and that is the right of an employee. Employees are not allowed to join trade unions. Employees are not allowed to join trade unions. Sexual harassment by the employer. Sexual harassment by the employer. Religious differences. This one can bring a rift between the employer and the employee. Religious differences. Racial, tribal differences. Tribal differences. Misuse of property. Misuse of property. Misuse of property. Diverging the secrets of the employer. That is where you tell people the secrets of your particular job or your employer or your organization. Diverging is D-I-V-U-L-G-I-N-G. Divulging the secrets of the employer. Question 2B. Someone to read and give us the answers. 2B, someone to read.
Give 5 reasons why Christians should not resort to strike action as a way of defending covenant. It leads to bitterness. It will lead to dismissal from work. It will lead to destruction of life. It will lead to destruction of property.
Reasons why Christians should not resort.
Does not glorify God.
Does not
Glorify God.
Yes.
It leads to idleness or laziness.
Yes.
It disturbs peace in the working place. It is a waste of time when goals are not achieved.
Yes, I repeat them again. They are correct. Kila mtu andike.
It leads to bitterness. It leads to bitterness. It could lead to dismissal from work. Could lead to dismissal from work. It could lead to destruction of life. Could lead to destruction of life. It could lead to destruction of property. Lead to destruction of property. It does not glorify God. It will lead to destruction of property. It does not glorify God. It leads to laziness. It leads to laziness. It leads to laziness. It disrupts peace. It disrupts peace in the working place. It disrupts peace in the working place. It disrupts peace in the working place. It is a waste of time. It is a waste of time when goals are not achieved. It is a waste of time when goals are not achieved. It is a waste of time when goals are not achieved.
That was question 2B, right? Question 2C. Umefanya zote? Muli discuss na nani? Ulizo kutafuta huko? 2C. Tufanye 2C kabla tujaenda ndio tuanze question 3. Some 2C. Yes, you have the answer? Yes, read them.
Loss of job.
Yes.
Reduction of salaries. Financial instability, loss of job.
Yes.
Physical injuries of even death. Hatred between the employer and family. Victimization of some individuals,
Hatred among themselves or physical injuries amezungumzia. Reduction of salaries. There is also interdiction of leaders at a strike, loss of a job, family instability, hata ameelezea family instability, family separation or divorce. It can cause family separation or divorce. It can cause a bad recommendation or a bad report. So this can make you fail to get a job somewhere else. Bad report or bad recommendation, failure to get a job elsewhere. We'll start with 3A.
Najua nataka nikupeleke hapa kuja